To all my colleagues, including Aditya, Chandan, and Ashutosh, who are not present here, and all my warriors from third year, my future of social club, that is second year. A very good afternoon to all of you. I would like to start my speech with a couplet, which I think all my colleagues and my close ones will completely relate with it. That मैं देर करता नहीं देर हो जाती है. Even today I was late, but later I found that many of juniors are already late, so it's okay. I am thankful to the Almighty for their words, though I am at the loss for words to express my gratitude to all of you. I was so confused about whether I should give this farewell speech or not. Then I thought I am literature head, and if I would not do it, then who will? So I invested 4 to 5 hours in articulating this speech. Even though I was instructed and requested by one of my junior that सर आप लोग स्पीचेस बहुत बड़ी बड़ी देते हैं, टाइम कम है, थोड़ा शॉर्ट रखिए. I have kept this as short and optimized as I can, and I want to ensure that I have completely kept in mind that you all would not get bored in this. I have revisited my Penfest shirt and found that many of you think me as a poet, which I have never accepted. But today, I have come to you with many couplets and a few stories, which I believe that it will definitely help you all. I grew up in a small district of Uttar Pradesh, in Pratapgarh, and I think you all would familiar with its legacy. My father served for judicial department, and my mother serves for educational department. So I have both the combination of fighting for truth and justice as well as to make something change in the society. And believe me, I also don't know to whom I have inherited more. And from here, my journey to social club started. I joined social club a bit late than others. That is in my third year. I think that it's only thing for which I have definitely regretted. I have missed something great. And the only reason for joining late is that I was feared that what will happen there. But actually sometime what seems to be like an obstacle is actually an opportunity. I entered late, but I truly enjoyed this journey. What could I expect more from social club than this great love and affection from all of you? From managing my very first event, that is primary school summer splash 1.0, to organizing the plantation drive, restoration drive, Rangosa, that is holy meeting, summer splash 2.0, and many more events. And my last event I couldn't organize because of time constraints, which was very dear to director sir as well as Pooja ma'am. Personally to me, that is yoga session for faculty members. I truly believe my third year will organize it, and though I am not be present physically, my heart will be full of happiness seeing that event take shape. I have tried my best, whatever I could for the club, including financial management and a new initiative, the Treasury Diary for the club's financial record. Then came the farewell of our seniors and new responsibilities waiting for us. We gave them a heartfelt farewell, and I was honored with new responsibility, that is literature head and management head. I was also facilitated with the post of first treasurer of social club in between the session. I received compliment from others for my command over script writing, even though I had never tried these things in my school. My seniors appointed me, and I have successfully completed my tenure. As literature head, the best thing I have learned that it brought me closer to humanity. I started believing that the more you close to literature, the more you enhance your humanitarian side. As treasurer, it was both a great and challenging post. I have written in the bracket that I'm still in minus from social club's treasury. Now moving forward, clashes are very common, and I believe that it should be because this shows that idea comes from different minds and different perspectives. I once heard something very insightful from Vikas Divikirti sir, that if two peoples always have the same opinion, then what's the point of being two? They might as well be one. Having different perspective is important. It's a sign of individual thinking and real growth. There is one story that stayed with me for a long time and I want to share it today. The story of Kalidasa, one of the greatest scholars India has ever known. I was not able to mention this story in my favorite speech, so I have also included in this video. One day during his travels, Kalidas felt tired and thirsty. He saw a simple village woman drawing water from a well and asked her, "Mother, may I have some water?" But the woman didn't immediately give it to him. She looked up and asked, "Who are you?" Kalidas, slightly proud, replied, "I am a traveler." She smiled and said, "Only the sun and moon are travelers. They never stop moving." Then Kalidas said, "Consider me as a guest." She replied, "Youth and wealth are the only true guests. They come and go." "I am a patient man," he said next. She answered, "The earth and trees are truly patient. They take everything silently and still give back. No matter what identity he tried to claim, wise, foolish, anything, the women humbly countered each one. Finally, Kalidas bowed his head and said, "Mother, I don't know who I am." Then she revealed herself as goddess Saraswati, saying, "True knowledge begins when pride ends. You are learned Kalidasa, but without humanity, learning is incomplete." That moment transformed him. And for me, this story is a reminder that no matter how much we achieve, our real strength lies not in our identity, but in our humanity. And a suggestion from my side, that whenever you will whatever you will achieve in your life, but next time if anybody would ask for you, "Who are you?" just simply tell your name. I believe it would not disrespect the post you are holding for. A long series of dialogues, but I would not trouble from that all. Now I have a list of people who shaped my journey in the social club. First, to my colleagues, General Secretary Priyanshu and Co-GS Shikhar. Thank you so very much for standing as meaningful and confident pillars of social club. Your leadership really bounded us as one thread. Your countless support will always be remembered. Real leadership has really bounded all of us in single thread. Now, Kanushka, Pratibha, Ashutosh, and Veer, who were not present in the farewell because of some reason. Thank you. Thanks to all of them for their support, and as being as the backbone of social club, there are uncountable support would always play an important role into the club. Now comes my favorite, Aditya and Chandan, two people very close to me. I shall remain thankful to you for the support you gave me, from guiding me to making Google Forms up to playing with various features of Canva, and for giving the most memorable moments of my life, supporting me while managing tasks efficiently, and helping me throughout my personal journey. Thanks a lot. Then come the time to mention our warriors of third year, Priyanshi and Akanksha. My heartful thanks who handled the responsibilities of literature so well, and that I had no headache at all. You both supported me in every task. And one more thing that I would like to mention, that they both bought the tiffin from their home for a few seniors. So thanks for that. Now, one of my favorite ones, Aditya Singer, Adarsh Kumar Srivastav, and Aditya Kesavan. Really, I want coordination like Aditya and Aditya. Both of them had different perspective about in every topic, but the way they both manages everything is all exceptional. All of three has really shown their hard work for the technical aspects of the social club. I would like to disclose a few WhatsApp text from group in front of you all. It's a chat between Aditya and Aditya while making the treasury diary. At the time of farewell speech, I was not able to mention the chat, So here I am quoting it. अदिति, आदित्य सर देखिए, आदित्य जी मैम सही है। अदिति, फ्रंट पेज ऐसे कुछ रखें या डूडल्स? आदित्य सर हेल्प। आदित्य, मैम जो बेटर लगे करें। मनी रिलेटेड थीम्स नहीं है क्या? अदिति, सर आई एम आस्किंग फॉर जनरल सजेशंस। आदित्य सर, in the next two pages of index, remove the index heading and increase the number of columns. Aditya, will do it, ma'am. Then Aditya replied, ma'am, kindly give your attention to last page and share your thoughts. Aditya, yeah, not bad though. Let me add logo to see how it turns out. So it's the type of communication they both uphold such a great respect and salute for, for it. Adarsh Kumar Srivastava, silent, dedicated, hardworking, and far from politics. Just like me. Always stay the same as you. Aditya, Akshita, Adarsh, and Avnish Bhatt. Truly the key members, always bringing the joy and support to the club. And really thankful to all of you for organizing today's event. It was really a nice experience for me as well. Kunal, our cameraman, rarely captured in photos because he always behind the camera. Still never frustrated, always smiling. Abhay, Adarsh, Aghari, Priyanshu, and Mayank worked so much for the club, never showed off, never ran for credit, just love and dedication. Sakshi, Ayushi, and Srishti always showing up when the club was in trouble, offering her support at the last moment and saving the day. Especially Srishti and Priyanshi, always helping in dance activities and much more. So, lastly, I would say diversity and differences are two different things, but it should not affect you throughout your journey with your teammates. I believe third year will do even better. I cannot wait to see them raise the social club higher. And to all my second years, I have high expectations. Never cross the thread between junior and senior. Always show respect. And really thankful to you all for organizing today's event. It was the greeting card was especially so good and best all the very best. Before I leave, let me say, if anyone thinks I will quietly disappear from the social club, let me assure you, maybe the venue changes, but I will still be around as I leave you. I am not going to miss anyone because I believe that you only misses the ones whom you lose bonds with, and I'm not going to lose the bonds with any one of you. I will always be there whenever you have needed. There are still many ways to contribute, and I'm still looking forward for those. Finally, as time is short, I will end up my speech with just one poem by Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. That बाधाएं आती हैं आए घिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाएं पावों के नीचे अंगारे सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर चलना होगा कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा हास रुदन में तूफानों में अमर असंख्यक बलिदानों में उद्यानों में वीरानों में अपमानों में सम्मानों में उभरा मस्तक उन्नत मस्तक उभरा सीना कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा. Thank you so very much to all of you for patiently listening, hearing this speech, and I'm really thankful to all for their constant support and for today's farewell. It was really a nice experience, and don't. My best wishes are with all of you for your future endeavors. Keep yourself up. Be together. Be hard. Be human. Thank you so very much.